Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name is the sentence. So, what is a sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Those group of words which we understand completely, that is called a sentence, or we can call it a sentence. Or one more definition is here: when one or more words are grammatically linked and bring out a complete sense, it is called a sentence. एक या एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स when they are grammatically linked, grammatically correct होंगे, grammatically linked and bring out और निकालेंगे एक sense, complete sense here and complete sense here. Group of words, one or more words, also called group of words. When they make a complete sense, it is called a sentence. Example is here: the earth revolves around the sun. It makes a complete sense, so we can call it a sentence. The cow gives us milk. It is a hot day. So here, if we just the earth, it is not a complete sentence. Like, it doesn't make a complete sense. The earth, what? Earth is there, but what earth? क्या कर रही है? Nothing. So for making a complete sense, we have to write these words: the earth revolves around the sun, so that this sentence make a complete sense, so we can call it a sentence. Moving on to subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Now we are going to study about subject and predicate. Every sentence have two parts, or divided into two parts, that is, one is subject and two is predicate. Like this: the cow gives us milk. In this sentence also divided into two parts, predicate and a subject. So we have to judge which words are subject and which words are predicate. So for judging it, or for determining this thing, we have to study about subject and predicate. Every complete sentence consists of two parts, a subject and a predicate. When we make a sentence, we name some person, place or thing. Likewise, noun is the name of a person, place or thing or animal. So every noun is a subject here. Say something about that person or thing or noun, यानी कि उसके बारे में कुछ बात करना. If we are talking about a subject, that is called predicate. The part of the sentence that is telling something about subject is called predicate. And subject क्या है? Noun, name of a person, place or thing. So, hence every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about, this is called the subject of the sentence. The part that tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. The part which names a person, like noun, कि person के बारे में बता रहा है, नाम दे रहा है किसी thing को, place को, animal को. So we are speaking about, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. We are speaking about a person, place or thing or animal. We are speaking about, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that is the subject. And क्या बात हो रही है? ये वो वाला sentence का part that tells something about the subject. Subject के बारे में, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, that is subject. And क्या बात हो रही है, that is predicate. Example: Joseph likes to play volleyball. So what is noun? Joseph, name of a person. क्या बात हो रही है? Likes to play volleyball. It is a subject. And this likes to play volleyball is a predicate. Now moving on to next. Joseph is the subject of the sentence because the sentence is telling something about the liking of the Joseph. This whole sentence tells us about the liking of the Joseph. So it is a subject. Whose liking? Joseph's liking. And what is it telling? It says that Joseph likes to play volleyball. So in this example, the subject is Joseph and the predicate is like to play volleyball. How to determine the subject of the sentence? To determine the subject of the sentence, we first find the verb. Firstly, to judge the subject of the sentence, we first have to find the verb in the sentence. So in this sentence, Joseph likes to play volleyball. The verb is play. Action words are verbs. तो action word है यहाँ पे play. It's a play. Then the sentence and then ask who or what in the sentence. Play. Action word is play. लेकिन who plays? Joseph plays. और what plays? What तो यहाँ पे है नहीं, तो Joseph plays. आपको दो क्वेश्चन राइज करने हैं, दैट इज who and what. तो यहाँ पे who का आंसर मिल रहा है. Who plays? Joseph plays. So Joseph is the subject. In the above sentence, we first find the verb. The verb here is play. So we first ask who plays, and the answer is Joseph plays, and this is how we determine that the subject is Joseph. So we are ending our chapter here today. For the kinds of sentence, just wait for the next lecture.